How to boost the microphone volume on the Windows 11 PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Is your microphone is too quiet on Windows 11? If so, you can boost the microphone volume using several methods. The first option is to adjust the microphone volume in Control Panel. For this, open the Control Panel by searching it on the Start menu. Then you can choose Hardware and Sound or the Sound option directly. This will open a new interface. From here, you will see the option. You can directly click on the Properties or go to Recording and then click on Properties. After that, go to Levels and adjust the volume itself. Then tap on Balance to balance it on the left and the right side. After that, click on Apply and OK and you should be good to go. Next option is to adjust the microphone volume in the Windows setting. For this, you have to right-click on the sound icon on the taskbar and go to Sound Settings. From here as well, you can adjust the device properties and adjust the microphone volume slider to increase the input. Likewise, the next option is to enable the microphone enhancement, which is also available on Volume Mixer, or you can also use third-party softwares that are available to boost Microsoft volumes. Some of them are Voice Meter, Equalizer APO or VB Audio Voice Meter. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.